Read code question 297. Serialize and deserialize binary tree. This is a hard level question. Let's get into it. Serialization is a process of converting a data structure or object into a sequence of bits so that it can be stored in a file or memory buffer or transmitted across the network connection linked to be reconstructed later in the same or another computer environment. Design an algorithm to serialize and deserialize a binary tree. There is no restriction on how your serialization, deserialization algorithm should work. You just need to ensure that a binary tree can be serialized to a string, and this string can be deserialized in the original tree structure. Okay, let's check this example. We needed to serialize this one to this. In this case, which traversal it used? Yeah, that's right. It used the level order. So each level, so first 1, and then next is 2, and then next is 3, and then this one is none, none, so none, none, and then 4, 5. How are you gonna do? Okay, as you see, while with the traversing tree, we can make a string because traveling order is the same as the generated the sequence of string. So at that time, after serialize this one, and then we able to reconstruct it the same, keep the same order, same traverse order. Then we can reconstruct it. Okay, today I'm gonna show you two approach. First is I will using pre-order. That is very simple way. And the second is I will also show you with the level order, the likes this. Okay, let's start the code. First, encode a tree or single tree, and then root is tree node, and then alt tab is string. So first I will make recursion is pre-order, and then receive node, and then if node is none, I will add output. I will make output array, and then I return white space is separator join of. For node, I will put output of append is null symbol. I will use period, and then return. Then if not node, I will append output append node value, but this one is the integer, so I will convert it to string. Because the output of Python does not allow the different data type. So in this one is string, and then if we put the integer, runtime error occur. Then next to the okay. Let's check the pre-order traverses. First is root, and next is left child, and then next is right child. So I will do this is root, and then left child free order node left, and then next free order node right. After finish it, I will return node is no need to return anything, right? Okay, and then I will call free order node. Okay, let's summary. I will simulate the code by my hand. Okay, let's use this. Oops, what is that? Okay. Okay, I will use this one, and okay, first put the root, and then output here. First this one root and then this is unknown. Okay, output append string root value. So first it's 1 and then next going to left. Now it's to right. So now going and then left is going here. This is unknown. So now the 2 and then the preorder node left. In this time node left is none, so none is the append period, and then also now the return, this one is a return, and then now the this turn to the right also none. So and now going to 3 also same, and then now going to 4 and now going to 4th left is none, right also none, and 5 also none and none. Does this make sense? Alright, and then I return value is the string 1 2 dot dot 3 4 dot dot 5 dot dot. So in this case, this serialization received data is this one. And then first I will convert data to array. So data is data split. Then now data change into this one. And then I need the index. And first I need the root to return is the 3 node and 3 node right. Yes, 3 node right. And then what is value? Yeah, data index. So currently index is 0. So let's do the 0. And then is the 1 created. So now root is 1 and then index is 1. Now is that index is this one, and then I will get value while creating the tree. And then okay, let's bake. Okay, now I found the I think that I make the better way using recursion. That is, I think, the more simple. The code will be more simple. So this time, if data index is none, period, I will return none, and then data index start with 0, and then don't need to return because I will do return period. So in this case, finally return node. Then I will make node is 3 node integer and data index. Then after getting, I increase index. So now index is here first. So word get 1. Node is 1, right? Because index is 0, so this one is not period. So node is 3 1, and then 1 made it. Increase index. Now index is 2. So next thing I need to do, node left is build. Then it learn it again. So index is not period. So create the node. Does this make sense? And then increase. So next is node right and build. and last return node. And then, okay, let's see, now it's 2. So create this one is 2, right? And then now next period, so this one is none, and then this one's period, so now right, so no. So in this case, none is the does not what can I say, express, because this is, that means this one is leaf node. So next is 3, and next left is 4, and then left to right child is dot dot, so this is leaf node, and then now going to up the 5. So this one is same as this one, right? Okay, then build. Okay, let's check the code. Okay, I will non-local data index. To build. Okay. In this, if the no, this also needed to increase, right? Okay, looks good. Awesome. Okay, now I will. This one is I used pre-order, so now I will use the label order, and then put this the same of this one, right? Okay. Label order we need to queue, right? So I use the collection, the queue, and okay. First, if root is none, I will return empty, and actually I will do the same as the previous. So the previous using pre-order, there are no edge case handler, so I will use the same way. And then I will queue append root, and I need so while queue, and then for range length queue, and I will get node from queue, and if node is none, in this time I also put the null to queue to change the none to the dot. So in this case I will output append dot output array and break. No, not break. None is continue. The next is I will append output append convert to string node value, and then I will queue append node left, and then queue node right, after I finish that, I will return. The separator is white space and join output. Okay, let's check the code, this part. So for this one, and then first Q. I put 1, and then okay, Q is I will do now load this one because I pop. So this one is not known, so this will not display, so pass their value. So put 1, and then open the node left is 2 and 3, right? And then go again. Now Q has 2 pop, and this one is not known, so now next I put 2 and push left to right is none. Push none, and then next iteration I pop 3, and then push 3, and then next right is you push 4, 5, and then next is N is just append period. Next so append period, and then now it's 4. So input 4 and left to right is non because that is leaf. And then next is 5. So 5 also put, and then there is a leaf node, so put N, then is dot. Okay, so return value is I will join the separator is space, so 1 2 3 dot 4 5 dot, and then now deserialize input data is this one. First I will change data to array, so data split, and now this one then replace it, split to array, and then first I will make root is 3 node, and then data 0. Data 0 is this one, right? Something missing? Okay. Now use this one, right? And then I will use, also need the index of data. I use this one, so I will start with here. That is in this one, and then in this case we need to edge case handling. If root is known, okay, in this case if this is known, okay, let's check. This one is okay, this is okay, root okay, but this is known, right? So iteration node is known, this is known, output and continue. So if that is the known, it will return only period. So in this case, if data is only period, return none. Otherwise, this one is error occur because data 0 does not exist in this case. That data 0 is existed, but 3 node, if with the input 3 node, I need to change the int. so it error occur. So okay, file, I'll make the queue, I'll use collection dq, and then queue append root. I will iteration queue until queue is empty, and then I will pop out from queue, and if node is not, if we start, that is not known, right? If data, this is we needed to put data index is start is the mean the none, right? So in this case, node left. Now node has the data, right? This one is this one. So this one is we needed to put node left, right? In this case, node left is not known. But because different is the node left is not known, right? But in this case, okay, node left is default is known. So that means root left already has the value is known. So no need to do it again. So I just do not known. So I will create a tree node. Yes, the value is integer data index. And then after that I will create pointer. Now pointer here. And then if data index is not period, and then node right. Now it's time to make node right. Node integer data index. And after finish it, I will create index for next iteration. And then now there are dot, so it did not make the left child of the this one. Oh, then I need to put queue, have to generate queue append node left, queue append node right. I think I'm done. Return root. Okay, let's create. Okay, now data is okay. Let's go back. Now let's start with 1. So index is here. Root is 1, right? Because data 1 is 1, and then q append root 2. So q this time q has 1, and in the node, and then node pop. So now node is 1, and if data, this one is period, no, so node left is 2. Q append 2. Then in index increase now here. And then next also same. This was not period. Node right is 3. And then Q append 3. And then next is the pop 2. So now here, in this case, this one node left is dot, so skip. And then next is node right, also dot, skip. And then now it's 3 is here. 3 is node left is 4. Then next is 5. So another is the nominee. Okay, so this one is same as this one, right? So let's submit and let's check the code. Okay, there is typo. Where is typo? 22. Change Q. Okay, looks good. Okay, the time complexity is I use Q. The space complex will be linear. Time complexity, while the traverse tree, I'll touch every node one by one, so it takes linear time with the linear complex for serialization. And then in this case of the deserialization, also use Q, and then it also touches every node one time, so it also linear time with the linear space. Thank you.